G'day guys, hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome and howdy. If you're old here, welcome and howdy. I had a lot of comments about the rainbow mushroom, so I thought that I would take you all through it, and let's get started. Colors I'm using is number 40 VB Blueberry, Blue Melody 31 BG, Georgia Peach 8 RO, Easter Grass 23 GY, 47V Plum, 14 YO Apricot, and 19Y Canary Yellow. So these are the ones that I'm going to be using to do this mushroom with. And you got to have sharp pencils, of course. Sharp. Very sharp. So make sure your pencils are, you see how sharp that is? Make sure they're really sharp. Always do this, even if they look sharp. No, I got it sharper. So I always do this before I touch my book, before I use them. Even if they look sharp, they'll still take a point. And you don't lose very much of your pencil either. Okay, so what we're going to do is, we're going to start with Georgia Peach, number 8. And we're just going to very, very lightly, I don't know, can y'all see that? Just very lightly. You have to come down a little more, because just very lightly. Now you don't want to go all the way around like that. You want to kind of section it off. Kind of like putting lines across it. I stopped there and there. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring out the apricot, and I'm going to right up there next to it. You won't see it at first. It's such a light color. And you want to use short, tapered strokes. These are strokes, like flicking. Like you would for hair, fur. You just want to flick at it. You don't want to mash down hard on your pencil. Let it be free. If you have a hard time, if you're one of those that puts a duck growth on their pencil, hold your pencil way back here and then do it. Okay, now we're going to yellow, which is Canary Yellow. And I want you to flick. Flick some more. Don't worry if you can't see where your colors are. You'll see in a minute. Because they're all going to blend together anyway. Okay, so there's our yellow. Now we're going to do 23 Easter grass. See, this is what I meant about not going. And we're just doing the light tapered strokes, right up next to the yellow and just a little over it, just a little past it. Don't worry about these, we'll deal with them after a while. But like I said, you want to do light flicking or hatching strokes, doesn't matter, you can do either one. You can go up over the yellow a little bit. Next we're going to use Blue Melody. This is my pencil. This pencil was named after me. Yes, it was. It was named after me. You still want to put light strokes. Just light strokes. And if you go over the green a little, it's not. Don't worry. Just don't worry about it. Next we're going with Blueberry. And I'm going to do the same thing I've been doing. Little light strokes. And this is how I started the mushroom on the first page. Now if you get up into the Blue Melody, don't worry about it. We're going to deal with that later. You'll see why it doesn't matter right now. And then we're going to use Plum. Now, it's going to be dark over here, so you want your darker colors where the shadow is. Like here, here. Now we go back with our little light strokes again. Now there's not going to be much shadow here, so we just want a thin line of the plum there. Now, guess what we get to do? Start all over again with your red. Short, light strokes. Try to butt them up against each other as close as you can. And don't go all the way this way. Stop, like right there. And I'm trying to get them strokes right up next to each other. Alright, now we're going to go to Apricot, which is right underneath the red. And if you go up into the red, it don't matter. That's just going to help our blend after a while. And if I sound drunk, y'all forgive me. My medicine for my MS does that to me, and the MS itself does it to me. So back to Canary Yellow. Just wanna go up in there a little bit. You see how it's coming along? Y'all find you a picture of a mushroom on Google and draw it or trace it or make a copy of it, and you can follow along with this. So and that's how we're going to do this. I will take you through all of it. So everybody that wants to do a rainbow mushroom, either screenshot this, go on Google and get a picture, or buy the book, or any mushroom book. Don't have to be this one. But just get you a picture of a mushroom and we can do this one together. How about that? I want to get y'all to do your own rainbow mushrooms. Seems like everybody liked it, and so I'm awful tired, so I'm gonna go to bed because it's late here where I'm at. It's bedtime, and like I said, I took my multiple sclerosis medicine, and yeah, it does a number on me. But I will take you through this. Go, you've got time. I think I'll make another video Wednesday. So get you a mushroom picture, and we're gonna do this together. You already seen what I've done right now, so you know that's what you gotta do. All right, guys. I love you. Peace out. Bye.